Imagine having a personal assistant, a career coach, a business consultant, a content creator, and a private tutor working for you 24 hours a day. Sounds expensive, right? Well, most people already have access to that assistant. They just don't know how to use it. Every day, millions of people open ChatGPT, type a basic question, get a basic answer, and leave. But a small group of people are using it differently. They're using prompts that unlock completely different results. And today, I'm going to show you 10 ChatGPT prompts that honestly feel like cheating. Some of these can save you hours every week. Others can help you learn faster, work smarter, and make better decisions. And prompt number 10 completely changed how I use AI. Let's get started. Prompt 1. The expert switch. Most people ask, how do I start a business? That's a terrible prompt. Instead, try this. Act as a startup advisor with 20 years of experience. Create a step-by-step plan for starting an online business with less than $500. See what happened? You gave ChatGPT a role. When you assign a role, the answers become dramatically more useful. It's like choosing who you're asking for advice. Would you rather ask a random stranger or a professional who's been doing it for decades? Exactly. Prompt 2. Explain it like I'm 12. Have you ever searched something online, read the explanation, and somehow felt even more confused? You're not alone. Whenever you run into something complicated, use this. Explain this like I'm 12 years old. Seriously, whether it's investing, artificial intelligence, taxes, or coding, this prompt forces ChatGPT to remove unnecessary complexity. Some of the smartest people in the world use this technique, because understanding something simply is often better than understanding it technically. Prompt 3. The personal productivity coach. Let's be honest, most people don't have a time problem, they have a focus problem. Try this prompt. Act as a productivity coach. Create a daily schedule that helps me stay focused and avoid procrastination. Now you're not getting random advice, you're getting a customized plan. Think about it. Most people spend more time planning their vacation than planning their week. This prompt fixes that. Prompt 4. The content machine. If you're a creator, this one is ridiculous. Prompt. Act as a YouTube strategist. Give me 30 video ideas people would actually click on. Not just ideas, clickable ideas. That's a huge difference. Anyone can generate content, but creating content people want to watch? That's where the game changes. Prompt 5. The learning accelerator. Imagine learning a skill in half the time. Use this. Create a 30-day roadmap for learning graphic design from beginner to advanced, or coding, or video editing, or public speaking. Instead of wasting hours figuring out what to learn next, you instantly get a structured plan. It's like having a personal teacher create a curriculum just for you. Now, before we continue, the next prompt is the one I wish I knew years ago, because it can save you from making expensive mistakes. Prompt 6. The decision framework. Everyone gets stuck. New job? New business? New investment? Try this. Analyze the pros and cons of this decision and identify risks I may not be seeing. The goal isn't to let AI decide for you. The goal is to think more clearly, because sometimes the biggest mistakes aren't the ones you see, they're the ones you don't. Prompt 7. The business consultant. Entrepreneurs love this prompt. Act as a business consultant and identify weaknesses in my business idea. Most people ask AI to validate their ideas. That's dangerous. You don't need validation. You need honesty. And this prompt forces ChatGPT to challenge your thinking, which is exactly what great advisors do. Prompt 8. The resume upgrade. The job market is more competitive than ever. Use this prompt. Act as a hiring manager. Review my resume and tell me why you would reject it. Painful? Maybe. Useful? Absolutely. Because employers don't care how much effort you put into your resume. They care whether it solves their problem. Prompt 9. The problem solver. Whenever you're stuck, use this. Act as a world-class problem solver and provide 5 creative solutions. The reason this works is simple. Most people only see one solution. Great thinkers force themselves to see multiple options, and AI can help you do exactly that. Prompt 10. The AI assistant system. This is the most powerful prompt on this list. Instead of asking ChatGPT for answers, tell it this. Act as my personal AI assistant. Ask me questions until you completely understand my goal, then provide the best possible solution. This changes everything. Because most people give AI almost no context. Then they wonder why the answers are average. The truth is simple. Better context creates better results. And this prompt forces AI to gather that context before responding. That's why the output feels dramatically smarter. Here's the biggest lesson from today's video. The people getting incredible results from AI aren't using better software. They're asking better questions. That's it. The quality of your prompts often determines the quality of your results. So stop treating ChatGPT like a search engine. Start treating it like an intelligent assistant. If you found this useful, subscribe to Your AI Professor, because here we make AI simple. And in the next video, I'll show you advanced AI workflows that can save hours every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.